today of the Chicote de Vilafranca. So what we have in front of us are the Casillas de Rubí, making a torre the human tower of level. When I filmed this, our team, the Furrigatos de Mala, have just completed, we have assembled a tower of 7 levels. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to dismantle it. It looked stable when it was crowned, but when we started to bring it down, it fell apart. Here the Casillas de Rubí have to bring down this construction. It didn't work at all. Unfortunately, very unstable. So that's life here in the Almon Castillejo, the world of human towers. We are in Vilafranca del Penedès in Catalonia, 2000.